Well, I've been working on a particular prototype. This is the Sentry 2 combined with the M5 Core to create the NV2. Let's just jump right into it. My name is Collins, and this is a mini analytics system. You can tally your cows.
I had no idea I was chatting with the brilliant mind behind my existence. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to DSK2 Design.
So the original idea was to use a Tab 5 and a Sentry 2, and after back and forth I decided maybe it's such a big screen to waste it on a single project. I wanted to use the Tab 5 for a different project, so I ended up settling in for the M5 Core. The first step was basically to come up with the design and the code for it. So I had to sketch a couple of ideas, measurements, so that I can be able to know what I'm working with. And also for the code, I used UI flow on the M5 Core. M5 basic core, you have to flash the UI flow using mBanner. And then also you have to connect them now together with this, the online software, so that they can be able to communicate from one device to the other. Then from there I was able to write the code, get some AI sketches for the case and how it looks. I'd like to use that as a reference so that I can be able to know, to figure out what kind of idea I want to work with. NV1 is the first prototype. This is how it's going to sit. The whole system is going to sit inside. Future, I'll put a battery here and then I'll run the cables within there. The main thing is to have access to this. After attempting the first prototype, I realized that I needed to have access to the knob to be able to change the settings on the Sentry 2. So I had to change the position of where it sits to a different position. This would give me easy access to the operating system.
They call me Mellow Yellow, quite rightly. This fellow never bellows, quite rightly.
Okay, this was the prototype, actually number 2, and the whole system I call it the NV2.
どれになるの肉巻きおにぎり食べてください肉巻きおにぎり